Here's an introduction to Born Haber cycles, and the simplest way which you can represent a Born Haber cycle is like a Hess cycle. It's a specific type of Hess cycle because you start with a metal and a non-metal and form an ionic compound. At the top of the cycle are unbonded gaseous ions, and therefore to get from the starting materials, the metal and the non-metal, to the unbonded gaseous ions, we need to break the bonds, break all the bonds in the metal, break all the bonds in the non-metal, form gases, so for a metal to go from a solid to a gas, for a non-metal that might not be necessary, and form positive and negative ions. So the metal will lose electrons and become positive, the non-metal will gain electrons and become negative. Once you have the unbonded gaseous ions, then the energy change going from them to the ionic compound is the lattice energy, because that is the energy of all the ionic bonds, all the ionic interactions between the positive and negative ions.